Hey, if you've been using one of these respirators from 3M, then you know if you've been working in a really moldy, dusty area, you're going to have to change these out. You can't just leave them on there forever. Yeah, if it's just dusty sheetrock, you know, you can kind of bang them off, clean them off, vacuum them out, use them for quite a while. But if you've been dealing with mold and other things, after you've got out of that environment, you're going to want to take these off. So you're just going to rotate it a quarter turn counterclockwise. They're going to come off like that. Let's see, this one's a little stuck. There we go. So it was stuck on here. And then you're going to be able to take your new ones here. So these were 2090 ones. This is a little bit of an upgrade. This is 2097s. And with these have a dual. They do not only the particulate, but also the smell. So it helps with some odor. So these are going to be able to remove some of the smell from the air that you're bringing in. They must have some kind of carbon or something in them. So the new ones are going to be nice and clean like this. Just going to put it on here and do a quarter turn clockwise, and it's in. And that's it. Do the other side here. Set it in, quarter turn, and you're done. So now you got some fresh air filters here, and you're able to go do your next job and not worry about old contamination from a mold job or anything else prior. Hope that helps. Have a great day.